How to avoid buying a flooded car. If you're shopping for a used vehicle, it's important to avoid buying one that has been flood damaged. Every year, tens of thousands of cars, trucks, and motorcycles are destroyed by water damage caused by storm flooding. Flooded vehicles are subject to rusting of vital electronic components such as airbags and vulnerable to dangerous bacterial contamination such as E. coli. Unscrupulous dealers purchase these scrapped automobiles and clean them up until they shine like new. Then, they transfer the paperwork out of state to get a clean title and sell them to unsuspecting consumers who know nothing of the vehicle's flood damage history. To help combat this practice, the National Insurance Crime Bureau has created VINCheck, a free online database search tool available at nicb.org, designed to help the average car buyer discover if a vehicle's history includes any flood damage reports. It's also a good idea to keep an eye open for a few telltale signs that a car might be a previously flood-damaged vehicle. Check for sand or silt in the carpeting, particularly high up under the dash where vacuum cleaners cannot easily reach. Examine the carpets, upholstery, and seat belts for any water stains or unusual fading. Inspect the dashboard gauges, clock, and radio for signs of moisture and condensation inside the lens or display. Check the metal rails under the front seats for rust. If they show signs of corrosion, it might indicate that they've been submerged. Smell the car or truck interior. Flood-damaged vehicles might smell like mildew or suspiciously overpowering deodorizers. Compare the used car price to similar used vehicles to see if it's unusually low or too good to be true. It's safest if you only purchase from a reputable dealer, and always have an experienced mechanic inspect the vehicle before finalizing the deal. By being aware that flood-damaged cars are in the marketplace and following these tips, you'll be in a good position to protect yourself and your loved ones from purchasing a flood-damaged used vehicle. For more tips and info, please read Warning Signs that a great used car is a flood-damaged waste and other helpful articles at autoinsurancequotes.net.